Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Chevy Traverse LT, stock number Z9930XX. 23,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Mosaic black in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seat 7, cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, thick skylight overhead with sunshade, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable, middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6 liter V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, with new brakes and approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.